Hi, in this video, we will learn how to correctly capitalize in personal letters. A personal letter is one you write to a friend or family member. Even though a personal letter is less formal than a business letter, you want to be sure to capitalize correctly. This will help make it easier to understand what you wrote. Take a look at Pat's letter. Then we'll identify the words that need capitalization. As you can see, there are many parts in a letter: the heading, salutation, body, closing, and signature. Let's look at capitalization in each part. Here's the heading. Notice that the first letter of each word in the street name, town name, and state name, as well as the month, are all capitalized. The salutation is Dear Eduardo. All words in a salutation are capitalized, except words like or and. The body is the main part of the letter. Sentences in the body of a letter are capitalized just like all sentences. Here's the closing of the letter. Capitalize only the first word in the closing. Notice that the word cousin in the closing is not capitalized. You can tell that the person who wrote this letter is Pat because Pat's signature appears at the end. And you know that names are capitalized, so you know that the word Pat must be capitalized. And that's how you correctly capitalize in personal letters. See you next time.